Here's how to perform the TRX. Suspension trainer, standing torso variation, safely and effectively. 1. Anchor point. Secure the TRX suspension. Trainer to a fixed anchor at around head height. 2. Strap length. Adjust the TRX straps to mid-length. 3. Grip position. Stand facing sideways to the anchor point. Feet shoulder width apart. 4. Grip handles. Hold both TRX handles together with both hands in front of your chest. Arms extended. Execution. 1. Start position. Stand upright with your body aligned and core engaged. Arms extended straight in front of you. Both hands holding the handles, shoulders relaxed. The TRX should be taut but not pulling you off balance. 2. Rotate. Rotate your torso away from the anchor point, maintaining straight arms and fixed hand position. Pivot on the balls of your feet slightly as needed to allow a smooth, full-body rotational movement. Keep your hips and core stable to avoid excessive lower back movement. Then return. Slowly rotate your torso back toward the anchor point, returning to the starting position in a controlled motion. 4. Reps. Perform 8 to 12 reps per side for 2 to 3 sets. Form tips. Engage your core to control the rotation and prevent over-twisting. Do not shrug your shoulders. Keep them relaxed and down. Move with control. Avoid using momentum. Feet stay grounded, but a small pivot is okay to follow natural movement. Muscles worked. Obliques, primary movers. Rectus abdominis for core control. Transverse abdominis. Shoulders and upper back for arm stabilization. Glutes and legs for balance and support. Please check my next video.